200 amp. We've got it juiced up to 14.8, so it'll run with this one. This is an Apex 370. This is actually a Ford stock alternator for a diesel.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Woo. Unrio 3600s.
Oh wow, I've never seen that before.
There's one there and one behind your seat.
Oh, you got two of them.
Yeah.
Are these at one of them?
Yes. Well, they're wired at 0.75 on 215s.
Got it.
Coriolis built, custom 15s,
Yep.
Brazilian sounds motors.
Okay.
Sundown baskets.
Yep.
Like I said, 145 amp hour lithium. We've got a 370 alt, a 200 alt, and the stock 90 amp alt, all running, all coupled to the 45 amp hour.
Okay. Yep. Nothing up front for battery?
No.
Okay. All lithium.
Nope, all just the 45 amp hour.
Nice.
2 volt meters watching the front and the rear.
Mm-hmm.
Actually just put this head unit in just because my last head unit cooked. So we're still kind of...
What is your ratio and tuning on that fourth order? Do you know yet?
We've got roughly 3.5 cubes on the bottom sealed side, and then there's like almost 9 cubes up top in the open chamber.
Okay.
Tuning is roughly between 35 and 40. It gets down pretty good.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
We're kind of happy with it.
Okay. Can I see the battery in the back? I try not to get it wet though. But
I try not to get it wet, but
yeah,
you can see it.
Awesome. I appreciate it. I didn't know it was gonna rain today.
I didn't either.
Cool off a little bit.
Yeah. And then it's gonna get really hot.
Yeah, the humid drop. Yeah. There it is. Nice. All right, we're good. Thank you for showing me, man. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Too. Oh, thank you. I just tried to see everything, you know.
So yeah, we got a 200 amp. We've got it juiced up to 14.8, so it'll run with this one. This is an Apex 370. This is actually a Ford stock alternator for a diesel truck.
Oh wow, so you just
I also have the stock 90 amp alternator still running in here as well.
Sweet. That's a good bracket, custom made too, to mount everything.
3 brackets actually. There's this one here for this.
Wow. Yep.
Then this one for the bottom, and then we had to put this one in to support the top.
Got it. Yep. Awesome.
That was thanks to my base team captain.
Okay. Awesome.
highly improbable, it's stoppable, but still way too many people feel how I feel. That's on the real, on the real, on the motherfucking real. Get up when I'm down, get up, almost round. When shit rough, I get up, and when I'm being timid, I get up, I get up, I get up, I get up, I get up. When I'm down, get up, almost round. When shit rough, I get up, and when I'm being timid, I get up, I get up, I get up. Hero, far from a hero, I ain't never said. Make America rap again. So fresh, so clean.
It plays everything. It doesn't fall off much.
No, it gets around pretty good.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's raining.
It gets down to about, we get into the 27,
Yes, sir.
roughly. I usually try not to play anything above like 40-ish, 41. She'll get up at 41 pretty good.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.